MSc Part 2, Semester 4, Paper 1, Theoretical Organic Chemistry. Okay, in that first unit is a Physical Organic Chemistry. आपण पेपर 1 चालू केलेला आहे आता सेमिस्टर 4 मधला. ओके, त्याचा फर्स्ट युनिट आहे फिजिकल ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री. फर्स्ट पॉईंट इज ग्रूनवर्ड विस्टिन इक्वेशन. ग्रूनवर्ड विस्टिन इक्वेशन काय आहे ते आपण बघू. is a nucleophilic of a protic solvent to the soletic reaction as measured by the Grunwald-Westin relationship. One of the most important role of that reaction is a medium which is the influence the equation. Okay, the Grunwald-Westin equation is a linear free energy relationship between the rate of constant and it is the ionizing power of the various solvent system and decreasing the effect of the solvent as a nucleophile on a different substrate. Then the Grunwald-Westin equation is a log kx solvent divided by kx 80% ETOH is equal to my, where kx solvent and kx 80% ETOH are the rate of the solulysis of a different compound with a different solvent system and reference solvent that is the 80% aqueous ethanol respectively. And the parameter of M and Y measure the sensitivity of a solulysis and ionizing power of the nucleophilic solvent respectively. Thus the Grunwald-Westin equation is a modification of a basic Hammett equation. In the modification of a basic Hammett equation to the formulate the solvent effect on the substrate which was not considered in a Hammett equation. The best solvent should be the choose to the carry the out of the particle reaction is depending upon the changing take place when the reactant converted into the product. For example, the substitution reaction of a tertiary butyl chloride was chosen to the reference reaction. एक reference reaction घेतलेली आहे is a tertiary butyl chloride. The first is the RDS, rate determining step. SN1 reaction is a carbocation formation. Carbocation intermediate formation. The nucleophilic attack is a fast and the nucleophile added. Where the nucleophile is the nucleophilic solvent, for this substitution reaction there is no sharp line between the SN1 and SN2 reaction, but the forward form carbocation can be stabilized better the nucleophile solvent. So the SN1 mechanism is the more preferred to the achieve better linear free energy relationship. In this reaction the transition state is more polar than the reactant, as in this solvent with greater the value polar will increase rate of reaction by the stabilizing the transition state and that is therefore lowering the energy of activation. For the reference reaction using the 80% ETOA solvent is a Grunwald-Westin equation can be given is log K2 log Kt butyl chloride tertiary butyl chloride solvent divided by the Kt tertiary butyl chloride 80% ETOH is equal to M. The reference reaction has a little nucleophilic assistance when the M is greater than equal to 1, then the reaction is a proceed through the SN1 mechanism when M is less than 1 and the reaction proceed through the mechanism between the SN1 and SN2. The ionizing power of some nucleophilic solvent are given below. Some ionizing power दिलेले आहेत is a solvent percentage by the volume and by value. The ETOH is a H2O 100% minus 2.033, 80% 30% is a 2.721, then 5% is a 3.397, then H2O is a 3.493, then ACOH is a 100% minus 1.639, then 50% is a 0.757 and 10% is a 1.8632. The y value are the limited to the certain system, and for only the nucleophilic solvent. For the many reaction, the retention is not fully linear. The polar solvent better solute changes and then speed of the ionization. This lower polarity solvent solute neutral organic species significant of solution the last during formation of the halide. Okay. Then next point is a Edward-Richter equation. It gives the two parameter approach for the correlating the nucleophilicity. That is, it is the two parameter variation of a seven Scott equation. This correlation shows that the now oxidation potential can influence the nucleophilicity. There are many attempts take place to relate the nucleophilicity of a nucleophile. The Edward and Ritchie given the new backbone to the elaborate the nucleophilicity. The assisted they consider that the nucleophilicity across the form from the two parameter. First is the basicity and second is the oxidation potential. The attacking the capacity resemble the loss of electron from the nucleophile to electrophiles, and the oxidation potential of a nucleophile correlate the activity. And these two parameters are defined as En is the oxidation potential of a nucleophile and H is the basicity of a nucleophile. And these two multiplied by the sensitivity factor is alpha and beta respectively. The attack of a nucleophile on the electrophile resembles the loss of the electron from the nucleophile to the electrophile. Then the oxidation potential and nucleophile should correlate with its reactivity. The To measure the nucleophilicity, the SN2 reaction of a CH3I with the H2 as a nucleophile studied as a reference reaction. The rate can be the given with the changes the nucleophile as log is of K nucleophile X divided by KH2 is equal to alpha into En plus beta H. This equation is known as the Edward-Rich equation, and where E is equal to E0 plus 2.60 and H is equal to pk is equal to 1.74. The equation 1 is based on the oxybase scale, and the parameters En and H are based upon the oxidation potential of a nucleophile E0 and the pK of a conjugated base respectively. This equation is a correlated oxidation potential and basicity referred as the oxidation scale. The parameter En and Hn are the based upon the pK of the conjugated acid. Today there is two point is completed. Here is 2 point is completed. Thank you.